Have you ever walked into a mechanic's shop and walked out feeling like your wallet just got ambushed? What if I told you that some car repairs are so simple, so effective, and so cheap, you could do them at home without any professional help? And guess what? These are the fixes that some mechanics don't want you to know. Why? Because they're easy, and they keep you from spending hundreds of dollars on things you can fix yourself. In this video, we're going to explore 3 secret DIY fixes that every car owner should know. These simple hacks can save your car and your money. Fix 1. Foggy headlights? Use toothpaste. Foggy or yellowed headlights aren't just an eyesore. They're also a safety hazard. Most people assume they need to spend $40 or more on a headlight restoration kit. But here's the secret. Toothpaste. Yes, the same stuff you use every morning. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives that can clean the oxidation off your headlights. Just apply a dab to a soft cloth, rub it on in circular motions, rinse it off, and wipe dry. In minutes, your headlights will shine brighter and clearer. No fancy tools, no expensive kits. Fix 2. Squeaky belts? Try a bar of soap. You're driving and suddenly hear a high-pitched squeal from under the hood. Most people panic and head straight to the mechanic, worried about costly repairs. But here's something you probably didn't know. A simple bar of soap can fix that noise. When your serpentine or accessory belt gets dry or slightly misaligned, it may start squeaking. With the engine off, gently rub a dry bar of soap along the edge of the belt. When you start the engine again, the noise often disappears. It's not a permanent fix, but it can save you a trip to the garage. Fix 3. Worn wipers. Rubbing alcohol to the rescue. Windshield wipers streaking or skipping across your windshield. Most people immediately buy new ones, but before you do, try this. Take a clean cloth, dampen it with rubbing alcohol, and gently wipe down the rubber edge of the blade. Dirt and residue buildup can cause wipers to perform poorly. This simple clean can bring them back to life, improve visibility, and stretch their lifespan, saving you money and improving your safety. These 3 DIY car fixes are incredibly simple, surprisingly effective, and can be done in minutes. No mechanical degree required. From foggy headlights to squeaky belts and streaky wipers, now you know how to solve them without stepping foot into a repair shop. So next time you face one of these problems, remember, you've got the knowledge, the tools, and the confidence to handle it yourself. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more DIY car tips, and drop a comment with your own car hack below.